Is background noise ruining your video audio in Capcut? Don't worry. This quick tutorial will show you how to remove unwanted noise and make your voice sound clean and professional. Let's fix it fast. First, open the Capcut application. Now, import or input the video that has background noise. Drag the video and drop it on the timeline. Check the noise, play the video. As you can hear, the video has unwanted background noise. Select the video now. Open audio settings, go to the audio option from the right panel. Find reduce noise. Check the box to turn it on. See the result now, play the video again. You can hear the noise is reduced and the audio sounds much clearer. That's it. This is how you can easily remove background noise in Capcut. Thanks for watching.